Have you ever wondered why it is important to follow contemporary wood furniture trends when doing home renovations? Following contemporary wood furniture trends offers numerous benefits for modern homeowners seeking to create stylish, functional, and sustainable living spaces. As tastes and lifestyles evolve, the appeal of contemporary wood furniture becomes increasingly evident, reflecting a broader cultural shift towards natural materials, craftsmanship, and innovative design. Embracing these trends can enhance the aesthetic, comfort, and value of a home, while also aligning with contemporary values centered around sustainability and well-being. One of the most significant benefits of contemporary wood furniture trends is their ability to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Wood is a natural material that exudes warmth and comfort, making it an ideal choice for living spaces. In contrast to cold, hard materials like metal or glass, wood brings a tactile quality that encourages interaction and connection. This warmth can transform a house into a home, fostering feelings of relaxation and well-being. Contemporary designs often emphasize clean lines and simplicity, allowing the beauty of the wood to take center stage while creating a harmonious environment. Moreover, contemporary wood furniture trends often prioritize sustainability, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Many modern designs utilize sustainably sourced wood, which not only reduces the demand for unsustainable logging practices, but also supports responsible forestry initiatives. By investing in furniture that adheres to these principles, homeowners can contribute to the health of the planet while enjoying beautiful and functional pieces. This commitment to sustainability aligns with the growing desire for eco-friendly living, making contemporary wood furniture a smart choice for those looking to make responsible design decisions. Another advantage of following contemporary wood furniture trends is the focus on craftsmanship and quality. Many modern wood furniture pieces are handcrafted or manufactured with attention to detail, emphasizing durability and longevity. This commitment to quality ensures that furniture can withstand the rigors of daily life, making it a worthwhile investment. Unlike mass-produced items that may lack character and durability, contemporary wood furniture often reflects the artistry of skilled craftspeople, resulting in unique pieces that can serve as focal points in a home. This emphasis on craftsmanship not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the furniture, but also fosters a connection to the artisans who create these pieces. The versatility of contemporary wood furniture is another compelling reason to embrace current trends. Modern designs often incorporate a mix of styles and influences, allowing homeowners to curate spaces that reflect their personal tastes. Whether leaning towards minimalist, industrial, or rustic aesthetics, contemporary wood furniture can adapt to various design preferences. This versatility enables homeowners to create cohesive and dynamic environments that evolve with their changing tastes. The ability to mix and match wood furniture with other materials and styles allows for creative expression and the opportunity to develop unique designs tailored to individual lifestyles. Additionally, contemporary wood furniture trends often prioritize functionality and practicality. With an increasing emphasis on efficient use of space, many modern designs feature built-in storage solutions, modular components, and multifunctional pieces. This focus on practicality is particularly important in urban living environments where space is often limited. By choosing contemporary wood furniture that combines style with functionality, homeowners can maximize their living spaces while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing environment. This blend of form and function is a hallmark of contemporary design, making it possible to create beautiful spaces that are also livable and practical. Incorporating contemporary wood furniture can also enhance the overall value of a home. Well-designed wood furniture often becomes a focal point in a room, drawing attention and admiration. By investing in quality pieces that reflect current trends, homeowners can elevate the aesthetic appeal of their spaces, which can positively impact property value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that showcase stylish, well-maintained furniture, making contemporary wood pieces an asset in the real estate market. The combination of beauty, quality, and functionality makes contemporary wood furniture a desirable choice for those looking to enhance their home's overall value. Embracing contemporary wood furniture trends can foster a sense of connection to nature. In an increasingly urbanized world, many people seek ways to bring the outdoors inside, and wood serves as an ideal medium for achieving this goal. The organic textures and colors of wood can evoke feelings of tranquility and grounding, creating a sense of harmony within living spaces. Contemporary designs often highlight the natural beauty of wood, showcasing its grain patterns and unique characteristics. This connection to nature can contribute to an overall sense of well-being, making homes more inviting and serene. Moreover, contemporary wood furniture trends often embrace innovation and technology. Advances in woodworking techniques and materials have led to the development of new finishes, treatments, and designs that enhance the functionality and durability of wood furniture. For instance, modern finishes can make wood more resistant to scratches and stains, ensuring that pieces maintain their beauty over time. This integration of technology with traditional craftsmanship allows homeowners to enjoy the best of both worlds, combining the warmth and aesthetic appeal of wood with the durability and ease of maintenance that contemporary innovations provide. The rise of online platforms and social media has also played a significant role in shaping contemporary wood furniture trends. Homeowners can now access a wealth of inspiration and resources through platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and design blocks. This accessibility allows individuals to explore diverse styles, ideas, and trends, making it easier to curate their homes according to their preferences. By following contemporary wood furniture trends, homeowners can stay informed about the latest designs and innovations, enabling them to make educated choices that align with their vision for their living spaces. Moreover, the growing popularity of contemporary wood furniture has led to an increase in local artisans and small businesses dedicated to producing high-quality pieces. Supporting these artisans not only contributes to the local economy, but also fosters a sense of community and connection. Homeowners can feel good about their purchases, knowing they are supporting skilled craftspeople who pour their passion and expertise into their work. This emphasis on local craftsmanship adds a layer of authenticity to contemporary wood furniture, creating a deeper connection between the homeowner and their furnishings. In addition to the practical benefits, following contemporary wood furniture trends can also inspire creativity and personal expression. The process of selecting and arranging furniture allows homeowners to showcase their style and personality. Whether opting for bold, statement pieces or subtle, understated designs, contemporary wood furniture provides a canvas for self-expression. This opportunity to curate a living space that reflects individual tastes can lead to greater satisfaction and enjoyment within the home. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative contemporary wood furniture ideas for modern home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content, so please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.